Vasanta still with possession, and here's the pass picked off by Gamunu Chetia, and there is no stopping him as he runs over for the first Combank Vibe try of the match. It's CRNFC hosting Army Sports Club in what promises to be a sumptuous encounter under lights here at London Place. Here we go. These are the lineups. First of all, it's Army Sports Club. Suryarachi, Kumara and Vijay Tilaka in the front rows. Skipper Nalaga Maduranga will be with Supun Maduranga in the lock-in combination with Kavin Pereira.
Dilshan Jaya, Venura Kodagada, Tanuja Jayavira in the front row. Navin Marasinghe, the young Josephian, comes in the second row. Shenal Adhikaram.
They can't afford any slip-ups if they are to keep up with the top two teams, as Ashan Bandara kicks things off here at London Place. Not the best of collections, as the ball has been knocked forward by the CRNFC collector. And now Army Sports Club straight away to their big heavy front row forwards as they take it up into contact. Now Ashan Bandar, Talvat, through the hands it goes. Here's the fullback, Sudaraka Dikkumra, stepping back in, but he loses his footing as he's brought to ground. Army Sports Club still with possession. By the looks of it, the ball has been turned over and is at Navin Marasinghe in the way of the number 9. That would be Vasanta. There goes a big Army forwards. Somehow managing to get the offload away. Vasanta. Ashan Bandar gives it out to his flanker, the ever reliable Lakshan Jayavikrama. Vasanta still with possession, and here's the pass picked off by Gamunu Chetia, and there is no stopping him as he runs over for the first Combank Vibe try of the match. And Army Sports Club, well, their pocket has been picked off. First few exchanges, but just a pass too many by Ashan Bandara. Ravin was past the mark, but here goes CRNFC through Rasidhu Karunathilaga. Gives it out to Manilka Ruberu, and he goes over for the second Combank Vibe try for CRNFC, and that was the score. As the game progresses, they do tend to let things get away, and again on this instant as well.
This time quickly taken. Goes very close to the try line.
Army Sports Club with their forwards keeping it close. Now this is the opportunity. They'll be licking their lips. Dasanayaka tries to barge his way over, but he's brought down. Army Sports Club somehow managed to score their first Combank Vibe try, and thanks to their forwards, they barged their way over this CR defensive wall. Buddhi takes and carries hard. Ashan Bandar to the line, shows and drops it short. Danushka Talvatta is well marshalled by Gamunu Chetia as he's brought down. However, Army Sports Club still with possession. Has the ball been turned over? Yes, it has. And that's the half. Well, what a massive, mammoth passage of defensive play there by CRNFC. And what a time to come up with a turnover, Dilshan Jaya.
Yeah, absolutely. Huge performance. The CRNFC coaching staff will be very happy with that.
Secured by Adisha. Tenugana Nayakar gives it out to the big forward on the 50-meter line on the center dot. Here goes Manilka Ruberu. However, the referee says that that's a forward pass, and I think he has had enough as he blows for half time. For Army Sports Club, it's their solitary try which went unconverted, and that leaves us with 14 points to 5 here at half time. Their line of defense has been immaculate as Tenuka Nanayakara kicks off this second half in action. Well, if the first half was anything to go by, we are in for a thrilling second half as Ashan Bandara Gives it out to his big forwards, but a massive tackle coming in by Venura Kodagode. Now Ashan Bandara puts in a little chip kick. Ball bounces and here goes Danushka Talwatta. One man to be. He gets the offload away, but unfortunately the ball collected by the youngster. He leaps highest. Now here are the big forwards. Ravin De Silva, that is, taking it in to contact. Bandara. Here goes Murshid Zubair. Gets the offload away and this is the try. Well, was it scored? By the looks of it, the referee says that the Combank Vibe try has been scored. From under Navin's feet, gives it out to his number 10 as he gets it back. Shows and goes and somehow still manages to recycle possession. That was Thenuka Nanakar down the blind side. Here goes Suiru Anthony. Wriggles his way and he goes over for yet another Combank Vibe try. And that's a bonus point in the bag for CRNFC. Now Bandaranayake. Adhikaram drops it short. Tanuj Jayavira that was. Now Bandaranayake gives it out to his hooker as here goes Thenuka Nanakar. Shows goes. Beats a couple of players. Has support on the outside. Gets the offload away. And Naveen Marasinghe, well, he bumps his way over for yet another Combank Vibe try. And that will put the seal on this game for CRNFC Dhinuk.
10 seconds more.
Now Zubair with time running out.
Usage.
This time around, he makes no mistake off the tee as CRNFC are now running away with this game. 29 points to 5. Well, in fact, 31 points to 5. Now, Naveen Marasinghe runs straight and hard. And that number 2 seems to be in quite a bit of strife for Army Sports Club. He's flat on the floor and he hasn't moved. Yet another advantage coming the way of CRNFC. Now Naveen Marasinghe decides to take the direct route and he goes over for yet another Combank Vibe try. And that's its second of the evening.
Dr. Sankalpana, no stranger for the World Rugby. He has been a very experienced doctor who was part of the international tournaments as well. He passes Dasanayake fit, which means he is fit. Army finally have been getting their lineouts working well. Let's see where they go from here.
To the line they go, not the best of passers, but here goes the Army winger. Will he manage to get over the line? No, he doesn't. Ashan Bandara swivels, gets the ball away. However, Komalka Gunaratne found himself. But Army Sports Club win a penalty and score their second Combank Vibe try. And by the looks of it, that's Danushka Talwatta, who finds himself crashing over
10 seconds more.
to have pretty much the last say of the game. Well, the side he ends on, he will not be too pleased with. But that's that here at London Place. CRNFC absolutely take Army Sports Club to the cleaners. 38 points to 10 is what the scoreboard reads at the end of this game.
Army, on the other hand, Shamli Nawaz will have to work a lot of creativity. Their lineouts has had a fair share of weakness today. Attack through Ashan Bandara needs to work around him. As we have the half moon in Colombo, 6 tries to 2 against Army for CRNFC. 4 conversions, nothing convert for Army. No penalties. In fact, both teams didn't opt to kick a penalty. They had their times. 0 drop goals. And player of the match, a debut start, Roshan Bandaranayake.